Let's check the polyethylene. It's reduced another one. This is the second one. I'll put some more in. Alright, that's what the next batch looks like. I'll set it for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes after I set it to 20. And there's what it's done already. So, because it's up to temperature. There's another shot. I turned the bucket around and put it near the light. There you can see the can a little better. Melting. And there's some more melted down, the same thing. Getting there. There's the next pile going in. And that pile's getting smaller. Quick peek. Alright, I'm going in with the gloves. Hasn't melted as much as I thought, but it warrants more pieces. And I cut up more pieces with the bandsaw, by the way. Back in a... Okay, so this is at half time of 15 minutes, pretty much. That one dropped pretty good. And another load going in. It's getting heavy now. Melted again. 15-minute cycle. Refill. And then away we go with another batch. 15 minutes. Next batch, 15 minutes is over. Fill it up, do it again. Next batch, 15 more minutes. Keeps going in, keeps compressing. Melting, I mean. There it is. Now I'm going to press it. Still hot, and I don't need it full because I'm going to make a ball, and I'll press it up to, hopefully it'll be the height of its diameter. There's the bottle jack, and well, there's the whole frame. Anyway, the glop in the paint bucket is pressed in there with the lids and that bearing and some other high pressure displacement. And I'll just hit the jack a little bit before I go out tonight and leave it and check it in the morning. Okay, there it is on the counter. It looks like the ones they have in England. Anyway, there's my paint can. High density polyethylene globule. If you look here closely, you'll see where the paint can cover pressed down, and there's the bottom of the can. Alright, that's one solid glob, even a little writing on the side. I'm going to go up and cut those little crowny things off and unfortunately ruin this nice round molded bottom. But I'm going to make a ball out of that and see what it looks like with my bandsaw without getting hurt. Well, there's the masterpiece thus far. As you can see, there's some semi-translucent sections from the oil buckets, the joint compound spackle covers and their respective bucket. And then the black ones were those asphalt buckets. And here's the little pieces that come off, all nice and smooth because I put a new blade on this thing. The first one was a sacrifice. I tried to cut steel with it and it killed the blade, so all this time I cut up all those pieces that were on the floor with a dull blade, and now this zips through it like butter. So I'm going to have to fabricate something, and I have no idea what, other than still continue to work on my capacitors, which stimulated and inspired and kind of got me on all this. Okay, well, there's my chunk of high density polyethylene, which can be machined and drilled and cut, and it's pretty rugged stuff. I mean, it's solid plastic, milk cartons and buckets material. Pretty awesome stuff, actually, when used properly. 350 degrees, just like any muffins. Over and out.